cookie popsicles.
Peanut Butter Lollipop Cookies.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So.
And when the ingredients you need is
That's brown sugar.
brown sugar, peanut butter, 2 blocks of butter, some sticks, a bowl of 2 cracked eggs, and 1 blue spoon and 2 orange spoons.
We got some white sugar. We got some flour.
And baking soda.
Baking soda. That's right. Oh, and we also need.
I read this.
We also need some vanilla.
I read this.
Good.
So that's how I know.
All right. So we're gonna start our recipe off with a cup of butter. Okay.
Cup of butter.
So we're making a double recipe right now. Okay. So the plain butter over there. Grab it and put both of those bricks into our bowl. Okay.
Both bricks at a time?
Yep.
Okay.
While you do that, I'm gonna get our brown sugar ready.
Oh, that looks good.
So we have 1 cup of butter, and then I'm gonna get us a cup and a third of brown sugar.
There.
Perfect.
It wouldn't go out.
Okay, put this in.
Try not to spill, right?
Mhm.
We want it to be perfecto.
Good job.
It was so good. It was the perfect thing, and then it just tied into a big mushy, right? But see, perfect, mushy.
Alright, so then we need 2/3 of a cup of white sugar. Off a little bit there.
Okay. Whoa, that's so much.
Okay.
We have that much. Wait, I know what we should do one time.
What?
Candy radio. Before this sugar,
Yeah.
right?
Alright, so what's next on our
Oh,
list
the
here?
sugar in the world.
We need 2 eggs next.
2 eggs.
Yeah, so we've already cracked them in our bowl.
Yep, we're putting them in. See?
Put those in there.
Flop, flop. Look, they look like eyes. And then the butter just smiles. It's like, eyes smile, like we're gonna do with the cookies.
Alright, and then we need a
Right, Mom?
cup of peanut butter.
We're
Yep,
gonna do that with
that's right. You know how to get that out?
No.
This one's kind of tricky. Push on the end there. Push, push, push. Here, let me get it the rest of the way. So,
That's
push.
tight. Hey, you got it on the mixer.
Alright, grab it.
Why did you get it on the mixer?
That's okay, because the mixer's gonna go in it in 2 seconds anyways. Alright, so put your mixer down. Oh, we forgot the vanilla stuff. Sorry. So,
And
2
this one?
teaspoons. Yep, 2 of those balloons. Alright, nice and
Be
flat.
careful. Be careful it doesn't spill.
Okay.
Be careful it doesn't spill. Everybody remember this. Be careful it doesn't spill. Okay?
Alright, that one's really full. So careful.
Yes, I did it.
Good job.
I'm gonna pour it on the eyes. When I wish, when I went like,
Okay,
it
so
like
now
exploded.
you gotta put your mixer down there.
Gently, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's in,
Lock it into
ew,
place.
it went on the eyeball.
Lock
And
it into
they're
place.
moving. Wow, how?
No, this.
How?
Pull that one forward. Yep. And then we'll turn it on to a
Can't go up.
medium speed.
Can't
you wanna,
go up?
Yep.
Why?
Because you don't want it to all of a sudden bounce up.
Mom,
Yep.
you're not.
I know it's gone.
That's
Couple more.
that.
One more. You want to mix that all up until it's really smooth. Okay? Okay, so we got 3 more ingredients.
And we went
Do you know
right?
Well, you're right on all of them. You still need everything on this table, right?
No,
Nice
but
and low. 2.
what were you asked me? Our 3 ingredients. Was I right on one of the
Wow.
3?
This one, and this one. So we need left to mix in there, right?
So I
Nice and
only
low so it
got
doesn't go
one.
spilling everywhere.
All
Alright.
So full now. You can almost not even see it.
Alright, so then we need.
Look, it's like a snowy world. It's like a snowy world. It's like
Now
a
we need
sand
2
world.
teaspoons of baking soda.
Is that okay?
Try to be careful. Alright, one more. And then we need 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Is that what they put in the ocean? Is that what they put in the ocean?
I'll let people don't put it in the ocean.
No, the salt that goes in the ocean. The ocean
Kind of like this. Alright, put that in there.
and got this. I wanted to smell it.
Okay, so now we're gonna try and mix this up, okay?
Nice.
Scrape our edges. I'm just gonna mix it a little bit so the flour doesn't go flying everywhere, okay?
But remember, don't go fast. Cause just because you think you're good at it, then you can just go fast, fast.
Right, you gotta be careful, right? Take your time.
Yeah, because this bowl
So,
is
see what
full.
I'm doing? I'm kind of scooping it, stirring it.
Now it
Can you do
kind
that?
of looks like cookie dough.
A little bit, yep.
And
Alright,
cookies and
roll it slow. Okay, so now that you got your batter all mixed up like that, we're gonna grab a spoon and kind of take a spoonful of this, and then you can take that into your hands and roll it into a ball. Roll it up.
to make sand. If you touch it too long, it goes.
You don't drop it on the floor.
And
Okay, so now you're gonna put it up here.
9.
Okay, so now take your popsicle stick.
9 in each.
So
right?
we're gonna put the popsicle stick in the bottom of it like that, okay? And then we're gonna take your fork and you're gonna press it down a little bit. Okay?
That's funny.
Now you can grab your Smarties and your M&Ms over there. We're gonna take 2 Smarties for some eyes. Okay, pop them on there with some eyes.
Now you.
Okay, and then about 4 of the mini ones for a mouth. Okay?
It's Reese's, Mommy. Reese's.
So then once these are all ready to go, we're gonna throw them into the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Good?
10-ish.
10-ish minutes. All right. So now these are all ready for the oven, right? All right. So how long are we putting them in for?
10-ish minutes.
Okay, sounds good. We'll be back. Okay, so now these have come out of the oven. We've let them cool for a few minutes, right?
Yep.
So you think they're good to eat?
Yeah.
Should we show them what they look like?
Yeah. Wait. I made a tongue sticking out on this one.
Just right in your face. Hey.
That one looks like it has a side smile.
You know they say you're not supposed to play with your food, right? These are kind of like little puppets now, right? How are you?
We broke the wall. We're gonna get caught by the police. Oh, everybody run! Beat the puppeteer.
And then when you're done biting,
You actually did it. Why?
try one.
I'm trying my sticky tongue.
Okay.
Oh, it's wobbly. sorry, soldier. You died.
It tastes good?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty. Bye, guys.
Hope you enjoyed this video.